Working from home has become increasingly popular, especially in today's digital world. But what about remote work in Vermont? This article will explore the pros and cons of working remotely from this beautiful state. One of the most significant pros of remote work in Vermont is that it's a beautiful, peaceful place to work. From rolling green hills to vibrant foliage, Vermont provides a stunning backdrop for any remote worker. Additionally, there are plenty of outdoor activities available to help you disconnect and recharge after hard days of work. Another pro of working remotely in Vermont is that it's an incredibly affordable place to live. With lower taxes and cost of living than many other areas, you'll be able to save money while still enjoying all the beauty that Vermont has to offer. You'll also have access to high-speed internet providers like Nomad Internet, which can make managing your projects from afar much easier. Another key factor to consider when discussing remote work in Vermont is the availability of Nomad Internet. As one of the leading providers of high-speed internet in rural areas, Nomad Internet offers an ideal balance between affordability and reliability. With Nomad Internet, you'll be able to stay connected wherever your work takes you and never miss out on important updates or emails. Plus, you'll enjoy access to fast speeds, consistent service levels, and secure connections, all at a price point that won't break the bank.